Gusto niyang i-highlight that justification, hindi siya by religious performance, by law-keeping, by human effort, by morality, but only through faith in Jesus Christ. But now, mga kapatid, we need to be careful when we hear the word faith. Okay? Kasi maraming mga tao misunderstand what biblical faith really is. Hebrews 11:1, mababasa natin that faith is the assurance of things hoped for, the conviction of things not seen. We must understand, mga kapatid, that faith itself, hindi siya meritorious. Hindi siya good work na pine-perform natin, which then mauobliga ang Diyos, sige, de-declare na nga kitang righteous kasi meron kang faith. Hindi siya contribution that we make to our salvation. Hindi siya something we offer to God so that God will accept us. Minsan, yung may mga tao na iniisip yung faith na para bang sinasabi ng Diyos, okay, ikaw ang mag-provide ng faith, ako ang mag-provide ng salvation. Deal? Hindi ito yung point ni Pablo. Faith is not the work. It's not a work that earns righteousness. Faith is simply the means by which we receive righteousness. This is a receiving faith. Mas explain natin sa susunod mas lalo. Bakit siya receiving faith? It is a faith that hears God's word, believes God's promises, and rests completely upon the finished work of Jesus Christ. Itong receiving faith na ito, nananampalataya that Christ's life, death, and resurrection, they are all sufficient enough to save. It receives what God says as true. Sinabi ito ng Panginoon, ang ginagawa lang ng pananampalataya, Lord, I receive. Lord, I believe. Sabi niya, if you do that, you are declared righteous. You cannot add anything sa ginawa ni Jesus.